Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Afterpay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Afterpay allows you to buy now and pay later in 4 installments over 6 weeks, and that also interest free. So you can simply use it online and in-store purchases at participating retailers. So to use your Afterpay, all you gotta do is simply download the app, and now if you have an account in Afterpay, simply tap on login, or if you are new, simply tap on create an account. Now you can simply create an account by typing in your email address, your password, and your mobile phone number. And as you are a first-time user, you will need to show or provide some personal information and the documents as per asked. So once you have created the account, then you can either choose Afterpay as your payment method at checkout online, or use the Afterpay card with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay in store. So by doing this, you can simply use Afterpay. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.